Today we're gonna have Colin here. He's one of the stars of the show. Here for special videos. Today is a special video because you can see a spy on the grown-ups. They will swear. Just a warning, they will swear. Just one warning. Okay? We're gonna listen to them. And we're gonna look at them. Oh my god, we have 10 million viewers right now. 10 million. Holy crap, thank you guys so much. Please don't like this video. You guys gonna see the graph for a second because I'm just writing it up or something. Okay, be right back. Let's see how much viewers we have right now. We probably have about 30 million.
Have a gun out?
40 million views right
My
now.
gun.
Thank you guys so much. You guys are all the best. I want
Chainsaw
likes
you
and
guys up.
subscribes, okay?
I'm gonna chainsaw you guys up.
Hey, don't chainsaw them. They're gonna like and subscribe. If you chainsaws you, don't like and don't subscribe. I saved you guys' life. Alright, see, here's my katana blade. Like this or something. Hey, put that down. We're going downstairs. Get that down. Right here. Hey guys, here extreme. This is extreme bad way. So don't talk. We're not gonna talk for a little bit, okay? So that it's gonna be really quiet. There's going. I'm gonna put you on going. Okay, we're here. Let's look through the fireplace. Saw this. Dang, spying number 1 did not work. Spying number 1 did not work. What's plan number 2, Cohen?
Try to make a fort. Boom. You gotta end the fort.
So, I'm gonna pause it, okay? Hey guys, welcome back. We created a new weapon. It's called the Sniper Scope. It's called Quick Scope X. Quick Scope X. And Colin, do not touch any of these buttons, okay? Just do this and look at me with the Sniper Scope X, okay? Don't touch any buttons. Alright, here we go. See this? This is what it looks like. I have a scope in it. Isn't that cool? Yeah.
X actually shot its first.
Victory. The quick scope first shot its actual first victory. We hurt a person. We hit him in the tummy. They didn't know we were there. It's like Fortnite. We hit him in the tummy, and that kind of hurt. They're knocked down right now. Should we go for a kill? Yeah. If we get 100 million views, then we'll go for the kill. Don't look at it. Alright. 100 million views. Alright, come on. We're going for the kill, guys. Come on, Cohen. Get up. Go for the kill.
So dark. He got him.
Second, this quick scope X is insane. We killed them. We got their. We're not getting their weapon, but we'll get their bandages. Alright, if you guys want to see their lizard, let's get to 150 million views. Cohen, just look at the corner. Look at the corner. 124 million. Okay, let's go to see our lizard. Oh. Lizzie. Alright, this is gonna be a hunt. Let's see where Slushy is. Oh, he's in there.
You see him?
Quick Scope X is in there.
You see old Flash?
Where's my little quick scope is? Where's my little quick scope?
It's kind of hard to see in here.
Oh, there he is. He's in his rock. Don't show it. Come on.
Where is he?
Come on, Cohen. Aren't you coming? To find the quick scope? Alright. We're gonna get some quick scope ammo. Be right back. Cohen, press the pause button.